Introducing Halaxy AI Scribe, your built-in AI assistant that turns your appointments into clinical documentation seamlessly, automatically, and effortlessly. It's part of your Halaxy software and built right into your workflow, so there's no need for separate logins, integrations, or copy-pasting. In just one click, Halaxy AI Scribe listens, transcribes, and creates structured notes in seconds, freeing you to focus fully on what matters most, your patient. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to transcribe an appointment session with Halaxy AI Scribe. Then we'll demonstrate how Halaxy AI Scribe transforms your session into structured notes using Halaxy AI templates. Lastly, we'll guide you in creating your own custom AI template so your session notes are tailored exactly the way you want. When you're ready, let's jump in. From your Halaxy calendar, open the appointment you'd like to document and click Notes. This opens the clinical note for the session. In the note, click Launch Scribe. Before your appointment begins, you may want to prepare a couple of things. First, make sure Halaxy has access to your device's microphone in your browser settings. Next, under the Context tab, you can add any background information about your patient. This helps your Halaxy AI Scribe create more accurate and personalised notes. For example, you can include the patient's age, reason for visit, health history, or any other relevant details you'd like to reference. When you're ready, click Start Session, then Launch Scribe. As you speak with your patient, Halaxy AI Scribe listens and transcribes your session in real time. You can pause at any time by clicking Pause, or you can end the session altogether when finished by clicking End. When you end the session, Halaxy AI Scribe automatically generates a complete transcription of your conversation. When you end your first session, a SOAP template is the template used by default. Later, we will show you how to add your own AI templates. You can regenerate your summary as many times as you need, using different templates each time. You can also select the previously generated summaries from the Previous Summaries drop-down. When you're happy with the result, click Save to Note to add the contents to your clinical note, ready for you to edit, publish, or send. Just like that, you've created your session documentation automatically with Halaxy AI Scribe. On top of Halaxy's preset templates, you can also create your own AI templates for transforming your session notes into your preferred format, such as an appointment summary, care plan, or a letter, whatever suits the different tasks in your workflow. To create a custom AI template, click Settings and then Clinical. At the top, click the AI Templates tab. In the top right, click Add AI Template. In the pop-up, click Create New AI Template. You can also select a template from our preset library, which you can then edit. Give your template a name and description, then set the status to Active. Under the AI Template instructions, enter your desired structure and prompts for how you'd like Halaxy AI Scribe to generate the output. Beside the editor, there are guidelines provided to help you with formatting prompts and instructions for your AI template. When you're done, click Save. Your new template can now be used in your sessions with Halaxy AI Scribe. And that's it! With your clinical work automated and simplified, Halaxy AI Scribe turbocharges the benefits of using Halaxy, so you can spend less time on paperwork and more time on work that matters, treating your patients. To learn more about Halaxy, visit our help guide at support.halaxy.com.